everyone, this is Chris from DKM Vending. Here is our wall-mounted vending machine. It has a 32 inches touchscreen. You can show your products here and you can play your advertising. And this machine has the ID scanner for age verification. You can scan your passport or ID card. This is the card reader. And the sticker of the machine can be customized, the color, and we can add your logo and any slogan you like. Let me show you the inside of the machine. This is the spiral type product rolls. There are 10 product rolls in total. We can also make 15 product rolls. And it can put about 10 pieces per lane. And you can push out the tray to add the products here. This is the pickup port.